Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, August 7th. Hope you guys are doing great and you had a wonderful week. My dad just turned 80 the other day, so it was a special week here. We don't live near each other, but I'm going to be seeing him soon. So speaking of birthdays, I did choose the winner for the birthday album, and I used the random comment picker that for YouTube videos, and the winner this week is Callie G, and this is her comment. Congratulations. Email me at the email address in the description box with your mailing address, and I will send this out to you. And you guys stay tuned for the winner of, or for the mini album I'm offering for next week. So hope you've been enjoying my mini album giveaway. Thank you guys so much for entering. I really appreciate it. Okay, I don't have too much to share with you today, but some good stuff, and I have some crafty updates at the end as well. I went to Dollar General yesterday. I wasn't expecting to find Halloween things. The Dollar Generals around here are not great at getting things out, but they did have, it looked like they just put everything out. So I did find some of the cute things you guys have been finding. I got these napkins, which I think are just so cute. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, either regular napkins or some sort of craft, but these are only $1. It comes with 16, and even this side is super cute. So love the cute ghost, the little jack-o'-lantern with the bow and the pastel colors, but a little orange and black too. So super cute. And I got both sizes of plates. These are the smaller ones with just like the scattered little icons. This would be great as a paper collection. And then I got the big ones too. Oops, hang on, my receipt is stuck. Okay. That's what the big ones look like. So they all go together so cutely, adorable. I love these. And then I got a couple pairs of socks. This one I thought was just so adorable. It's got the pink and white ghosts, and the white ghosts are holding little jack-o'-lantern balloons. So I thought those were so cute. And then I got these. These are like the longer socks, but they're orange cat witches on broomsticks. So, I mean, I could not resist these. So I'll probably give these to my daughter, and I'll keep these for myself. So yeah, got those at Dollar General. I went to my daughter and her boyfriend and I took a day last week, and we went to a mall that's like an hour away. They had like different stores than our local mall. So they have this store called Miniso, I think it is. It's like all like Kawaii stuff. It's so cute. So I got a couple of blind bags. I got this one, which I opened already. It's Sanrio characters, and it's got like all strawberry themed, strawberry candy themed guys. And I'll show you the one that I got. It's this little Hello Kitty winking, and she's got like a strawberry candy hat on, and it's a keychain. So this was one of the like mystery ones. Isn't that cute? And then I got this pack of cards. Oh, something fell. I gave 2 of them away, but I kept one for myself, and it's Pachaco, and it's just so cute. I don't know why. I mean, the packaging has strawberries on it, but all the cards were just like regular Hello Kitty guys. So anyway, super cute. I got another one. I'll open it in a few minutes, but I wanted to show you my Temu order too. I didn't get too much, just a few things. I got this big pack of beads, and this was $6.14. There are 100 beads. There are 50 that are like smooth and 50 that are that like fig bumpy texture. So, oops. I brought over a couple of bowls so we could take a look at them. And I'll link these items down below in the description box. So they're very pretty. They have like an AB finish, good for beadable pens and everything. These are 16 millimeters. So they're a little bit smaller than some of the other ones I have, but aren't they beautiful? Every color is gorgeous. And then I thought these would be in a separate bag, but they're not. So these are the other ones that are really like, these are bumpier than the ones that I had before, I think. Like more indented, but still really pretty. And then for some reason I ordered Oops, there's a couple left in there. I ordered a smaller pack of them. I don't know if I thought they were a different size or maybe I'd left them in my cart by mistake, but this was $1.91 for 15. So this is definitely a better value, but they look like the exact same thing. Let's see. I think I could mix them together. Yeah, they're the exact same thing. I guess if you just want 15 of them, you know, just to spend a couple bucks on them. But anyway, I thought those would be great for my beadable pens, which I've been having so much fun with. I also got these beads, which are little flamingos, like pool floaty flamingos, and this was $2.81 for 5. So I did make a pen I'll show you in a second, but aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, and they're like, you know, silicone beads. Just so adorable. So I made a pen for my husband because he says flamingos are his spirit animal, so I'm going to give it to him after this video. So this is the one that I made, and I use like an aqua pen. I think I had this already in my stash, but these beads here, the like opal beads, and then the spacers are from Rainbow Palette Beads. And oh, I have a 10% off coupon code for you guys for Rainbow Palette Beads. The owner was so nice. She messaged me to thank her or to thank me for reviewing her beads a couple times. So you can, I'll link her page down or her shop down below. If you use the code Strawberry Cream at checkout, you'll save 10%. And that expires at the end of August 31st. But I thought that was so nice, and I fully intend to use that code next time I order because I just love these beads. This striped one I've had for a long time. I thought it looked like a little beach ball, so that's why I added that. But these bigger pink beads and the spacers are from Rainbow Palette Beads, and I think that just looks so cute. I tried different colors, but it didn't really look right. I just think the pink altogether looks super cute. So that's the one that I made. And then I got one more thing from Temu. I ordered a bunch of nail glues, and this was $3.98 for 4 of them. I had told you guys that I couldn't find the LA Colors one that I like at Walmart anymore, but since I placed this order, they restocked at my Walmart, so I bought a bunch of them. But anyway, I do have this one now, and I've tried this brand in the like dropper bottle, which I really like. This is the brush bottle. The dropper bottle, though, would get clogged really easily, and I'd have to, like, you know, really try to open it with a strong pin, and it's very annoying. So I find that brush bottles tend to stay easier to open, so I thought I would try that with the brushes. So anyway, got those. See how it goes. All right, so let's get the other blind bag out. So this is a Pusheen one. So I got this at Miniso. Oh, I can't wait to open this. My daughter wanted me to open it right away. I was like, nuh-uh, got to open it on my channel. So this is Pusheen's Kitchen. So you could get either the little fridge, the milk bottle, the tea kettle, the loaf of bread, or the pancakes. So let's take a look. All right, so let's see which one we got. Hi, Millie. Millie just came to join us. I think it's a milk bottle, it looks like. Oh, it is. This is the one my daughter was hoping I would get. Oh my gosh, it's so nice and squishy. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so cute. So I got that. And then let's see. My KS Craft design team package for August is on the way, so I will be sharing that one once I get it. Hope you've been enjoying the Scrap Diva Designs videos that I've been publishing for the new release. Really cute stuff. And then I've been working on some like secret projects that I can't really share with you, but yeah, so I wish I could, but I know someone's watching this that I'm making a project for, so I can't share that with you. But let's take a look at the album that I'm going to be giving away for this week. So I made this strawberry mini album for Scrap Diva Designs, and I thought maybe one of you guys would like it. So you just take the seam binding off, and I use Diana Markham's stamp for the cover, and I fussy cut it. And it's all like, it has recipes inside, all strawberry themed recipes. So this is the first page, old-fashioned strawberry pie, and then, so I have the recipe there, and then like this page I decorated. Put a cute little piece of pie there. And then the next page is strawberry blue cheese salad, which I don't know if I've ever made that actually, but it sounds so good. Looks delicious. Hey, Mel. And then this side, this one says strawberry cake filling. I definitely use this. I use this when I make like layer cake. My daughter used to love for birthday cakes to have this inside her cake. So that's what I would do. Look at that cute little oven. Isn't that adorable? And then the next page is chocolate covered strawberries. My kids and I make that every, I was going to say 4th of July, Valentine's Day. And then, oh, this is so cute. I haven't looked at this in a long time, but yeah, that's that page. And then the last one is strawberry buttercream frosting, which is also a very, very good recipe. And it says, I'd like you very much on the bottom or on the back. And then there's my logo. And then it's just slides over it to keep it together. So I hope you guys enjoy this for next week, this giveaway for next week. I'll announce the winner next week. If you would like to be entered into the drawing to win this, just leave the word strawberry in your comment somewhere, and I will assume that you would like to be entered to win this. You could live anywhere, you know, in the world. Just have to be 18 or over and be a subscriber to my channel. So yeah, hope you guys like this. I think this one came out super cute. All right, so that is it for today. I also just got in a product that I'm going to be reviewing soon that looks super, super cute. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I've got my design team work to do, and I'm going to be going to visit my dad and stepmom next weekend. So I've got a lot to do before that. Anyway, for now, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and please subscribe if you haven't. I just realized I don't have my rings on besides my wedding ring. That feels weird. But anyway, leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you think of this haul, and don't forget to use the word strawberry if you would like to be entered to win this. All right, that's it, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay cool where you are, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, hope you have a great day. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.